हाँ देखो हवा उठनी अब।
Full toss, pulled away, and six. High up, and luck favoring the batsman. Square cut into the gap. Gone for four to the finals on the 25th. Cuts the ball in the air. Will be caught. Mishra has been given the ball by the captain. Lovely ball on the middle stump, playing with soft hands. Chance of a run out. No. Batsman dragging the bat. Full toss pulled away. Easy runs. Gift. Very good running. Very good running. Putting pressure on the fielders. One more overthrow chance. And it's a run out affected.
Design Dental Warriors. Masters. Design Dental Masters.
What a shot! Rocking. And reverse flick will be a catch. Yes. Left-handed batsman on strike. And there is a fielder. Cannot take a catch. It's gone away for one bounce. This could be a setup. Makes a proper contact. Puts it away for a long six. Aditya Bas. That is going to be 100 up. One more four. This time it's one bounce to deep midway. That is going to be 100 up. One more four. This time it's one bounce to deep midway. Shot. Catch by long on. Half volley that's been lofted up mid wicket. Catch put down by long on. Also the ball is gone. Half volley that's been lofted up mid wicket. Catch put down by long on. Also the ball is gone. Lovely full shot. That's going to be one bounce, four. Very not enough. One bounce, two bounces. Good fielding. And good running. Chance of stumping. No. Yeah. Misfield. More runs. high up, backward square, cannot take a catch. This is bouncing away for a 4. Nice shot on drive. And Lolon, not even aware where the... Oh yes, lovely shot. One bounce, 4 to long leg. Oh yes, lovely shot. One bounce, 4 to long leg. And full shot gone clear. 27 for 1. 1.4. Oh, what a shot! One more. Square cuts the ball. And that's gone away for a boundary. And this time playing it away to covers. No one there. One more effortless for 2. 50 for 1. 50 up in 2.5. Good shot. Mid on. Lovely pull shot. One bounce 4. To the backward square. United Warriors batsman. What a shot. What a flick shot. Into the gap, 4 runs.
हाय रे
Oh, 6. Amazing 6.
अभी तक तो चल रहा था नहीं आ रहा देखो मैं टैप कर रहा हूँ यहाँ अच्छा
What a shot. It's into the vacant area. It will not be a 4 or will it be a 4? Yes, it. Hello. Flick shot. Hard flick. Deep backward square. Waiting for the ball. Cannot stop it. 2. 115 for 3. 7.2. Shot. That's gone for a 6. Over the balls.
उसमें हो सकता है क्या इसकी तो बैटरियां भी चेंज कर ली हमने अभी स्पीकर को
Amazing shot.
Agra Gupta 5 4s and 2 6s 41 deserves a 50 square cuts the ball गई हफ्ता इस टूर्नामेंट का 7th week 4th game
Flick shot, bat ball, full toss, flicked away hard for a boundary. That's lofted away to long off. Long off standing too wide. That is 29. Full toss. Smashed away to deep mid. Shot. Mid wicket. Getting his hands to the ball wide in 25. Controlled straight drive, very, very straight. 4 awards to the best bowler, fielder, batsman, and man of the match award. We call upon our chief guest for the evening, power sponsor and wicket sponsor, Mr. Simrat Gujral. Kindly welcome him with claps. Welcome, sir. And thanks for being a big sponsor in this tournament. And without, in fact, Anchit, one of the organizing committee member listening, I would say without sponsorship, no tournament can be a success. So I would have a few questions for you. How long since you've been watching this match, or did you just come?
No, no, I was there when the match started, so I was there when for the complete match here.
I mean, did you enjoy the 4 sixes hit by the batsman in this match?
Yeah, it was a wonderful day, wonderful game today.
Are you a lover of cricket as well?
Yeah. That's why I'm the sponsor also. No.
Okay, great. But you're not playing in any team as such?
No, not this time. We are not playing this time.
What do you have to say about the committee that has worked to the success of this tournament? You, of course, being a sponsor. But do you think the response from the committee was spot on? They were good, they were immaculate, and everything went well. What's your, out of 5 stars, how many stars would you give them?
No, I'll give them 5 stars. In fact, I'll give them 6 stars because they have pulled this event. They have pulled out this event from a basic tournament, and today we have cameras around. We have third umpire around. Technology is there, so they have come a long way from where this tournament actually started.
Progressed in leaps and bounds. It used to be Entrepreneur Premier League when I used to be the videographer, but I'm so glad, particularly thanking Anchit. He has remembered me over 2 years now. So, sir, thank you and welcome to the award ceremony. Fine. To call the fielder of the match, Amardeep, taking a brilliant catch, is the fielder of the match. Amardeep is the fielder of the match, took a brilliant catch, helping his team. And receiving the award from Mr. Harsimrat Gujral. We are so glad that he's here, title sponsor. Next, we call upon the bowler of the match, Keith Gupta. Keith Gupta is the bowler of the match. And on behalf of Keith, we have Anchit taking the award. Right. Now we call on the best batsman of the match, Kushagra Gupta, for 68 brilliant runs. Kushagra Gupta for brilliant 68 runs. It was a 50 full of character. Now the big award, which is powered by Stance Beam Smart Cricket Bat sponsor sensor, which goes to Ekansh. Ekansh is he has become a wow. This is double dhamaka. Yesterday father, today man of the match. So what did you tell your young son? Was it a son or a daughter? Okay, what will you tell him? बेटा तेरे आते मैं कल के दिन आज मैं मैन ऑफ द मैच बन गया.
मेरा अवार्ड तो खैर कल ही आ चुका था. तो मैं यही कहूंगा कि अब जो भी है उसके लिए है.
Double congratulations to you. And I would want our committee members who are behind the scene to kindly come for a moment. Asking Mr. Modi, Mr. Bhasin, Mr. Anchit, come over. And also Mr. Verma. Aye. Right. Sir, congratulations first and foremost. The tournament was a grand success, no matter which angle you look at. And you are the men who are behind the success, behind the hard work. Anchit would agree this would have been a month and a half long, or maybe 2 months of planning, execution. But why I'm taking out time with you is because the next event we are meeting is for the grand finale. After that, everything is going to get over. But I thought right from you people. Everybody has had their roles, to kind of 6 o'clock in the morning. Karan has been coming here. Anchit has been coordinating with all the staff. It's been too much of planning, but I'll give you the mic and whatever you would like to say, even to the teams that participated and to everyone, what would be your message one by one, starting with you?
Yeah, thank you so much. I guess hard work pays off. We have been working very harder for the last, I guess, 2.5 years for these matches and the season. So yeah, I guess it's a grand success. We are very much happy with the team and the players who have supported us. So definitely we are planning for the next season very soon. Thank you.
Yeah,
Anchit, basically the question specifically for you is from Entrepreneur Premier League, from Entrepreneurs Premier League, the journey to Business Owners Premier League is quite a jump. So you can focus on that.
to for this jump, I want to make sure that into big and we hence we all participated and today for the new teams and everything. Yeah, so all
Yeah, to Dheeraj or uh, the full hand that we call amongst us. And what I would like to really and participate.
Had 7 fantastic weeks, and because this last match was always a dead rubber, because we had our finalist in Noida Bulls and HPS already decided. We had this last match as a fun game, and thank you, Ron, for staying there and commentating for something which was actually worth nothing for the tournament. But end of the day, we enjoyed the game. And as we say, this is a gentleman's game, and thoroughly everybody participated wholeheartedly. The gentlemen became angry gentlemen too on the grounds, and the repercussions we faced during the time, we stood very strong as a committee and took some very strong decisions, and they stand for everybody who participates in this tournament, and we want to take this tournament to new heights. There are a lot of things coming up for the season 5, and especially I would like to thank our sponsors, everybody who stood up, especially Harry, who's right next to me, and Harry is always a sport whenever we have asked him for any support we need for the tournament. Unfortunately, he couldn't participate, and we hope he'll be there for the next season. And Harry has been actually a power to our tournament as a power sponsor. And we look forward for the season 5. And there are loads of surprises coming up for season 5. And as Ron said, we will definitely take it beyond what we are right now. And we are missing you, Dheeraj, today. And we understand there are family reasons that you couldn't be here at this moment. But yes, we are end of the day 5 people. We become one mutti together, and we'll take it beyond whatever everybody thinks, and much larger and much greater. Thank you so much.
One last word with the 4 committee members oozing with confidence. Should the next IPL be handed over to your organization, I think you will pull it off. I think you can make a great job of that. What do you say, Mr. Basin?
That becomes too big a ticket, and a lot of people will have interest in that. So we like to stay low and grounded. And the reason VOPL was formed, and we changed it from Enterprise Premier League to a Business Owners Premier League. It was a pure reason because EPL, end of the day, clashes with a lot of infringement onto the IP things with the EPL that we all know, European Premier Leagues and other things. So we wanted to keep it to the business owners, and we want everybody to network and generate business. We have generated business last season also, this season also. The sponsors are happy. We want everybody to participate and stay with us and generate business for themselves and the fellow members. So cheers to all the owners who have participated and wait for the next season. Thank you.
So this was Sukoon by Accra Business Owners Premier League Season 4. Get ready for the final.